Regarding the year, so kanji like that, the stroke on that kanji. So again, say first, second, or here you can third, fourth, fifth, and finally this one. So first, second, fourth, fifth, and final this one. So this is the nen or toshi. Sound like that, nen, toshi. So again, so this one, free hand. So like that. So what meaning and sound? So each, nen. Ichi, nen. So for 1 year. Ichi, nen. So here is ni, nen. Ni, nen. So here is, so ni, nen, my. So if you would like to use the my, so here the kanji. So ni, nen, my. So again first, second, third, the getchu or gachu. So this is re. So ni, nen, my. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Kyo, nen. Kyo, nen. Last year. Last year. Kyo, nen. So here kyo. Kyo, and here is nen. Kyo, nen. Kyo, nen. For the last year. Kyo, nen, last year.